guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn some bucks from using Nounproject. So Nounproject is a website which we can upload as many icons as possible if we want to get paid. Actually these are really simple icons. As you can see, they only use black transparent icons, so we can create these icons using Illustrator. These are actually really simple icons, not like colorful icons. So actually this doesn't take much time, like creating colorful icons. So you can easily earn some bucks from this site, guys. So they will pay you monthly, and this is pretty easy. So I will show you guys their guidelines. Let's scroll down, and there you will see the icon creators, and there you see the creators handbook. So once you go there, and you will see the guidelines a creator want when it comes to creating icons. Here you have the technical guidelines. I will read this to you. And technical guidelines, we have a lot of things that we need to follow when it comes to create icons. We have principles of design and technical guidelines, and collections. We also can upload icon collections, not only one icon. There can be many icons in your collections. Likewise, we also can upload patterns and themes, likewise. And so this is an example of a collection. So you can make a collection and upload. Alright, so these are the resources they have given. You can follow the tutorials when it comes to creating icons, and these are the tools that we can use. We have Adobe Illustrator, Sketch, Inkscape, and Affinity Designer. So these are the softwares that we can use, but I find Adobe Illustrator useful because I've been using it for like a few years now, so I find it's really easy. So I haven't used the other softwares. So if you use these softwares, you can try with them, guys. They also have provided us the templates here, so we can easily download them, and we just need to import that to our Adobe Illustrator, and we can start creating icons. So the other things, guys, the other important things here, I will explain you guys how we get paid. For that, just go to handbook and creators handbook, and there you see the licenses. So click here. So we can only use either Creative Commons or public domain licenses. So Creative Commons, if you use Creative Commons license, that means users can download our icons. That is free, and they can use it for anything, but they also can pay us or else give us a credit. And in public domain, so they can easily download them with normally they don't have to give us credit, or without paying they can easily download, and like it's like no attribution required, likewise. So that's what it means. So you can always use Creative Commons if you intend to earn some bucks from this, guys. And they also use PayPal. They use PayPal, so whatever the bucks that you earn from this site, you can give your PayPal email address, so they will transfer money to the PayPal. So that's how it's done. And in here, let's go to the creators and creators handbook, and they'll find the getting paid. So when you go there, they have explained how you get paid. So there are fixed royalties and subscriptions, API usage. So they have categorized your payings like this. Like there are 3 categories. So according to these categories, so you will get paid, guys. Okay, I think there's more to this site. So if you go through with the site, you can easily learn, and you don't have to put much effort when it comes to creating icons, guys. And I have also mention the link to this site in my description box, guys. You can easily come here by using the link. So alright, that's it about this video, guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and I appreciate if you guys can subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions, please comment down the video, and please like if you like the video. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video.